What's up guys, it's Lauren. In today's video I'm going to show you how I get to this simple look. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm going to a gender reveal party, so I figured I would do a little bit of a light look, but it's definitely still like an occasion, nice and dressed up, so I definitely like how it came out. If you like to see how I got to it and which products I use, then just keep on watching. It is so nice out today. I'm wearing somewhat of a like 3/4 inch sleeve and I'm already hot, so thank God the shoulders are out. I'm so excited to get ready for this gender reveal party. I already have on my moisturizer, so now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of primer and I'm gonna hop on over to a voiceover. I figured it would be a little bit easier. It was a little bit noisy where I was filming. So today we're using Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer. I wanted to use that because the gender reveal that I was going to was outside, so I wanted to be nice and luminizing. So I used this for a primer and I'm just really focusing on the T-zone area. And now for foundation, I'm mixing two foundations. This one is Physicians Formula. This is their healthy foundation. I happen to really like this foundation. It's just a little bit light right now. I do have a little bit of color, so I just like to top it on off with that Milani. That's in, I want to say, medium beige, and the Physicians Formula, that is in, I want to say, MC01. It's like light cool, so just with a little hit of that Milani makes it nice, and it definitely matches really well. I feel like I really got that combo going nice. So I like to blend that in with that Japanese brush. I got that as a 2-for-1 at Target, so I really like that. I've been like much more preferring, I really like a brush lately. I feel like I'm not into the beauty blender for blending lately. I only do that to blend my concealer. So I'm using Tarte's Tape Shapes for my under eye concealer and also highlighting. I actually just got their new concealer. Well, I ordered it from Sephora. I haven't just gotten it yet, but I can't freaking wait to get it. I'm gonna try it. I'll definitely show you guys and let you know what and like how I think it is. I hope it's worth it. But anyway, yeah, I am just setting the under eye concealer with it by It Cosmetics, and I like to set that and I like to put it over my lid before I go in. And I use this HD Absolute. I want to say I got this from Marshall's. It's just like a porcelain color. Honestly, I use it just to set my face, but it's like the perfect color. Like if you notice, it just goes really well. Like I just set my entire face because I feel like those foundations make my face look shiny and it's really hot, so I'm like, no, I'm not all about that. Anyway, so moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm using this new palette that I got from BoxyCharm. I really honestly don't know the name of the palette. I'll put it down in the description box, but right now, let's just go with the fact that it is this awesome, like orangey, I want to say orange, beigey color. I use this for my transition and I wanted to do something simple, so on my lid I do this really beautiful shimmer color. It's on the edge of a pink color, but it's more so I feel like a white. It's like opal, I don't know. It's definitely light and it's super simple, this look. I just do again with my fluffy brush to go in there and transition nice. Brows done. Just wanted to do that really fast. Power of editing. So now using Benefit's Hoola bronzer, I like to just hit up the normal places. I really like to chisel it. I used to really love a liquid stick for my contour, but lately I've just been loving Hoola again. Like, you know, you always like to change it up, and I'm just using a regular angled brush for that. And then I am contouring my nose, and to really buff that out because it looks like really obvious, I just use a nice fluffy brush to just blend it on in. And today I decided I'm gonna bake because I was going outside, like I want to look cute. So I've been baking. It's just like so easy. I just threw that HD powder underneath, and while I let that sit, I'll do my mascara. So today I'm using this CoverGirl mascara. It was okay. I got it in a package. You know when you like buy, let's just say like $40 at Ulta, they give you like a couple of free items. That was one of it. And honestly, I feel like once you look throughout the video, like my eyes look good there. I'm not gonna hate on that. Just because it was free doesn't mean it was bad. It actually worked out. So for my highlighter, I'm using this color from, this is a ColourPop palette I got again in BoxyCharm. And then for blush today, I'm using BH Cosmetics palette. I love that peach color in the summertime. It's definitely my favorite. So I'm just using a stippling brush to blend all of the colors in and take that baking off. So now my face is ready. Now I have Stila's gloss. It's kind of a matte gloss. I really like how this came out. So I love that look, but then I was like, all right, let's throw a little bit of gloss on top of that, and that's that Neutrogena gloss. And now I'm just setting it with Milani's Make It Last. I absolutely love this setting spray. It smells so good. And there you have it. Like, that is this complete look. I absolutely love it. I think it's totally summery, and it goes so good with that blue like navy dress. So I'm just gonna let you guys guys know I was right. I wore blue, and my girlfriend, Nicole, BFF, is having a boy. So I'm super happy for her, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I love how it came out. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, and make sure to like it. And I have some really good bloopers, so stay tuned for these. You gotta be kidding me. And you know the drill, just keep on watching. Bye!